J&S was started in 1957. We have been in business for over 60 years. Now as a third-generation family-owned business.
J&S actually didn't originally start in the construction business. They were in the building material business. We saw the marketplace changing in the early 80s. And so we created what we call now as a design-build process.
We have the ability to bring all of the construction and design process under one roof.
We have architects and engineers on staff. We have our own estimating staff. We have the ability to do a lot of the design in-house.
We have found design-build to be a superior delivery method because it brings all of the responsibility for a project under one house and makes one entity responsible, and that being J&S Construction.
We were going to be blamed as contractors for all the problems, regardless of whether they were our own fault or not, and we thought, well, we might as well assume all the responsibilities. Of all the business that we do every year, 70% is with somebody that we've done business with before. That really separates us a lot from other places, and the same happens in healthcare.
Stones River Manor was Rutherford County's first home for the aged. We provide independent living, assisted living, adult daycare services, skilled nursing and rehab services. I think J&S is a company that can be trusted. They did a lot of work for healthcare facilities, and it's important that you have somebody with experience doing this, because there's things that they understand about it that other people just don't. Folks who work in the healthcare industry need to understand that, because people's lives are at stake. Things that seems to set them apart from other builders is quality of construction. They're very focused on the finished product being top quality.
Bailey Manor is an assisted living facility that specializes in Alzheimer's disease and dementia care. Bailey Manor has been around for about 12 years. We have buildings that are specifically designed for special requirements that our residents need.
Assisted living or nursing home facilities that are growing. It's one of the fastest growing markets we have. These facilities have become more and more complex. Understanding what happens with it as it relates to being a licensed healthcare facility is really important.
What sets us apart in the healthcare space is that we have the expertise, we have the experience, so that we understand the nuances of the healthcare industry, from long-term care facilities to dental and doctor offices, and we're able to help maximize the value that they have paid into the facility. At the beginning of every relationship with a client, we tell them that there's one question that they have to answer, and that is, who are you going to trust?
And our core values is being a servant of all people. What we find is that over a period of time, we've been able to develop this relationship and rapport with clients.
I can't tell you how many times Jack and Phil and other members of the team have said, whatever it is you need, you just call and let us know.
We've had some issues that have come up after the building was done, and they've come back every time to fix any issues that we've had.
They don't look at the technicalities of whether it's covered by warranty or if it's not covered by warranty.
You might think that a contractor is really looking after their interests, but they took it, as I took it, that we're going to be building this relationship and I'm going to plan on doing more buildings with you. You take care of me and I'm going to take care of you, and we're going to be a team. So yeah, I would recommend them, and I plan on using them again.
J&S has maintained one principle throughout our years as a company, and that is that we're going to deliver a quality product, so that when we go home at night, we want to know that we've delivered the very best for our clients.
I would recommend anyone to consider J&S. It's a firm that will stand by their product and give you good service.
For over 60 years, J&S has been able to continue growing as a company because at the end of the day, when the clients get the keys to their new building, they have a sense that they are moving into a well-built, well-designed, well-constructed building. Just because we've been around for a long time is not a reason to do business with us. But the fact that we've been around for a long time, we believe, says something about the quality of work that we produce for our clients.